We are back from the Executive Suites of Minnesota studio. We are joined by Psychic Ruth Lord, Dan Garrow from Amic Home Loans, and socialite Katie Harms. Our guest on the phone is Rod from Techwarrior Technologies. I added up now. It'll be 4 computers I've gotten from Rod. He does a great job with any computer issue you have, whether it's virus removal, data recovery, he'll do cleanups. I've gotten now my 4th refurb from Rod, and the computer I use at home, the one I'm using right now, is one that was a refurb from Rod, because in my mind, why pay ridiculous prices for new when you're getting one that's every bit as good? And he stands behind it. There's been no problems with it. Now, Rod, I wanted to talk to you. Rod is, by the way, he is going to become a new sponsor of the show, but I wanted to talk to him today about what's a good spring cleaning tip for people and their computers that they can do, because you could help them do a massive cleanup, but there's things people can do at home as well, correct?
Oh, yes. Well, a big one is just blowing it out. A lot of people don't see the amount of dust that cakes up, especially under the fans and on the inside. And even a desktop, it's a couple screws to pull the side out and use canned air and blow it out, as long as I don't use a vacuum cleaner, because those tend to create static.
Yeah, and you know what? He had mentioned this on a computer that I have at home, and it made a huge difference. When you hear it, you think, that makes sense, but we don't. These are things we don't really think of, to do to clean our computers, and that's a really good one. Now, Ruth, you have a question?
Yeah. What can I use that will actually clean the screen and the board on my laptop? I've tried supposed screen cleaners. I've tried things for glasses. I've tried microfiber. What's the magic trick?
What, get smudges off?
Yeah, smudges
Like a
and dust.
screen?
Laptop, right?
Yeah, laptop.
Well, I use just water and then just scrub it real good, but real lightly. But whatever you do, don't use like Windex or anything like that, because unless it's glass, it'll eat the screen.
Ooh.
Whoops. Okay.
Could be. You're not going to be fixing
That'll actually make it worse.
Well, Rod can get you a new screen if you need one, Ruth. He's very reasonable.
Okay.
How about you, Katie? You got any computer issues or questions?
I think I have a weird... Can Apple products get bugs?
What? I could answer that. Why couldn't they?
Well, you don't have to have the same kind of
software or
what do you call it? Virus protection with Apple. But I'm wondering if there are things that get through.
The misnomer on apples is that they don't get viruses, and it really was more because there weren't as many viruses being made for them. Over the past probably about 4 years, we've seen an influx of apples getting viruses, probably because the people creating them got smart and went, well, we're missing a whole portion of the market here.
Just screws lives.
And we can hit apples too.
So are there virus protections I should be putting on my Apple products, or things that I can run to get rid of them?
Well, for Apple has the same free one we recommend for people that don't want to go out and buy one. Avast is a good one that also runs on Mac products.
What is it called?
And it's the same one.
I'll spell Avast. It's what I have. Rod's recommendation. I have it all on all my computers, and it does a great job of protecting it. I mean, you could buy a paid version, but I don't know if you're getting that much more. Maybe you are.
Both Ruth and Katie are downloading that as we speak.
What's that, Rod?
The big difference with the paid is that you don't get the annoying little "do you want to buy now" pop up, and you get all the extra little features.
Yeah. But unless you're going to sites that are dangerous, not Alone with Danny, ALOAN with Danny. That's
the good Alone.
That's a good one. How about you? Now, Dan is he can help you get a mortgage or refinance. So you're on your computer a lot. Do you have any questions?
I am on my computer all the time. They take pretty good care of our computers internally. But if I ever do something on it that I'm not supposed to and I don't want to get in trouble, I will definitely give you
Rod,
a call.
let me ask you this, because I don't really I let this computer go into sleep mode. Should you shut it off, or can you just leave it on and let it go into sleep mode? Does it make a difference if you shut it or keep it on?
It really doesn't make a large difference in my experience. The big issue is, are you letting the battery on laptops drain? Because if you don't let it drain and you spend a lot of time plugged in, it will die rather quickly. And I'm guilty of my own laptop. The battery quit working after like a week because I never let it die all the way. Well, week is a exaggeration, but it didn't take long because I always had my laptop plugged in.
Yeah. Well, Rod, I appreciate that. And again, if you want more information to get in touch with him, he's right in Rockford on Highway 55. Wherever you live, it's worth the trip because he'll do a great job for you. Go to techwarrior.us, techwarrior.us, and you've got nothing but 5-star reviews from everyone on the site. And it's whatever you need, you could do for people. You also, you do website design too, but for computers, and you do a number of beyond the repairs and data recovery and virus removal. You also do refurbishing because I'm certainly a testament to that. Like I said, the computer I use here and my home studio, I got both of them plus 2 others from Rod. So it's he does a great job with it. So I encourage people to check out techwarrior.us if you have any computer needs. Rod, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you in a bit here. Thank you.